The footage quality of the Drone X Pro is so much bad I can't believe I had to pay for that piece of junk €99. Furthermore, the Drone X Pro flies very unstable no matter what I set which the direction correction buttons. It is very difficult and dangerous to fly because you never know what it'll do next. Sometimes it just falls from the sky. But most of the time, you just can't control the flight. I have done all my best to fly the Drone X Pro as stable as possible. I really can't recommend to buy a Drone X Pro.